Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Dia Hafiz bin Kamel from UITM, Campus Seri Iskandar, and today I'm going to present a conceptual paper titled A Literature Review on the Critical Factor Contributing to Project Abandonment in Construction Project. So there are a lot of issues regarding project abandonment that has been recorded in several newspaper and even has been published in uh, television and also radio from 2012 until today. So the abandonment construction project have become a significant issue in Malaysia. This project not only erode economic value, but also harm the environment and weaken the public trust. The reason for abandonment often stem from a combination of financial mismanagement, regulatory inefficiency, and also operational challenge that prevent this project from moving forward. The rescue contractor who stepped into to complete this troubled project face elevated risk, both financially and reputability. The key objective of this study is to explore the factor that contribute to the project abandonment and propose potential solution to mitigate this challenge. As of January 2024, there are 117 abandoned housing projects across Malaysia, affecting about 330,000 units affected. The majority of these projects are priced at 300,000 ringgit or less, which make them especially critical in the affordable housing sector. The challenges in dealing with this abandoned project are multifaceted. They include mismanagement by the developer, inadequate planning, and ongoing financial difficulties. The impact is severe. The disruption of economic growth, the erosion of public trust, and the environmental damage. Addressing this issue is a priority for all stakeholders in the construction industry to prevent further abandonment and mitigate its consequence. This study aimed to identify the critical factor contributing to the project abandonment in the construction. Specifically, it focused on financial, regulatory, and operational causes of the abandonment. We also analyze how this factor affect different project phases from the initial planning stage to the construction phase. By examining this factor in detail, we hope that to offer strategies to prevent future abandonment and improve project completion rate. The study methodology employ a systematic literature review, SLR, in which we review academic sources from multiple databases such as Google Scholar, Scopus, and JSTOR. We selected study published between 2015 and to 2024 that were peer-reviewed and relevant to project abandonment in Malaysia. This approach ensures that we include high quality and up-to-date information to guide our finding and analysis. Through the literature review, we identify several key factors contributing to project abandonment. The first one is financial challenges are the most prominent, including insufficient financial resource, rising material costs, and poor cash flow management. Regulatory constraints such as inefficient in legal framework and bureaucratic delay also play a significant role in delaying the project. Additionally, the technical issues such as poor site assessment, inadequate design, and a lack of skilled labor were commonly cited. These factors often interact, exacerbating each other and leading to eventual abandon of the project. The finding of this study highlight that financial challenges and regulatory constraint are the most frequently cited causes of the abandonment. These issues are especially pronounced during the tender and the construction phase, leading to severe delay and, in some cases, halt the project completely. The technical issues such as poor management, site poor site management and inadequate design were also major contributor to the abandonment. These problems are often present in the early stages of the construction, and when not addressed, they can lead to long-term project stagnation. At this point, you can refer to the figure 1. This figure illustrates the frequency of different factors contributing to the project abandonment. As shown in the chart, financial challenges and regulatory constraints emerge as the most common reason for abandonment, followed by the technical issue, and other less frequent mentioned factors. The finding underscore that financial challenges and regulatory constraints are significant barrier to project completion. These two factors alone can derail project at any stages, especially when combined with other operational challenges. This paper suggests that improving the financial planning, ensuring the adequate funding, and streamlining the regulatory process will help to mitigate this risk. Better stakeholder communication and proactive risk management are also essential to prevent project delay and abandonment. By addressing this barrier head-on, we can increase the chances of project success and reduce the number of abandoned construction projects. In conclusion, this study highlights several critical factors contributing to project abandonment, including financial mismanagement, regulatory inefficiencies, and technical shortcomings. This factor create significant barrier to project completion, particularly during the tender and construction phases. The contribution of this paper are twofold, that are the framework development, that we propose a conceptual framework that can guide the rescue contractor in identifying and addressing the root cause of the project abandonment. And the second one is the study add to the existing knowledge on the construction project management and abandonment, providing a solid foundation for the future research and policy development. By implementing the recommendation offered in the study, we can create a more resilient construction industry that is better equipped to handle and mitigate project abandonment. Here are some of the key references that inform this study. These sources such as Abdul Rahman et al. And Zuhairi et al. And others have provided valuable insight into the factor contributing to project abandonment. I encourage you to explore this study for deeper understanding of the issue. Thank you for your attention, and I would be happy to answer any question you may have at this time. Thank you.